Hey guys, I'm sitting here watching FIFA beach soccer. It's Russia playing against Brazil. Apparently, Russia is the reigning world champs. Who would have figured? I'm going to go see if I can get my drive shaft repaired. That would be the drive shaft. I gotta clean this truck out today. It's starting to get a bit cluttered in there. Oh! I just closed a truck on that. That's not good. We're all good, thankfully. I was leaning it right here on this ledge and then just closed it on. This is my old place. I still got mail coming here, so I gotta come here every now and again. Let's see what we got. That one's mine, that one's mine, that one's mine, that one's mine. Ooh, free money. Okay, laundry's going. Got the mail. I'm a pretty happy man right now. Yeah, good stuff. Look at this guy go. Sunroof and everything. That's sweet. So for today, I am winning. Fresh bed sheets, fresh socks, fresh underwear, fresh clothes. Yay, Brian! It's just me, or do lifted trucks with normal wheels on them look funny? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. And there's your regular truck. I don't know. 400 series. That thing's pretty sweet. Today I'm going to make his hat. Yeah! Today I'm using my 390. For all you people who haven't used a saw before, get somebody who knows what they're doing to teach you the fundamentals before you use a saw. I don't condone any of the things I'm doing. I'm a professional in a closed course. I haven't fired this up in about probably a month and a half or 2 months, so that's kind of why I'm using it today. It's a big saw. On this side it looks just about right. Fuck that up. And that's just because the grain in the wood. So see, there's a crack right there. I just followed up and sheared itself. You can see grains of wood there. Wood is actually just like straws. Just continuous straws. If you fucking carve with a grain, it'll do that sometimes. Mario's hat, round 2. There, now can you see it? Yeah, man. It's all temporary, of course, but you know, that's how it goes. And for the grand finale of this hat that didn't work, he gets the axe. This rusty old piece of crap. It's gonna be awesome. Let's see if I can one-hand it. Oh, sure can't. I was right there though. Give it one more try. Oh, I two-hand it now. Got her. This saws, Joe. Kittens, grinders, gargoyles, and ladybugs. Leopard print, wood, deck, and garage. Last ray of sunshine. I think that is a good enough sign if I need to go paddling just for a minute. I'll see you in a little bit. Guys, after such an epic ride, I just had to make another video. Finally, after 3 boats, finally found one that will actually kayak properly. Goes like twice the speed as the last one, like more my speed. Just rolls over rocks like no problem. Not even a hesitation or a thought to it. It's awesome. I just gotta practice rolling over now and she'll be good to go, but finally after 3 boats I finally got her.